Cannonballs with a Z. It's an event started by a gentleman named Chris O'Neill, wonderful guy in Scotland, to raise money for the Marfan Trust. It's very personal to him, is his brother Liam had Marfan's disease, which is a horrible, debilitating disease. It impacts the connective tissue in your body. The people that get it, when they pass away, they basically waste away. They can't move. Everything is painful. Can't imagine the heartache of watching a family member die from this disease. It's just a horrible, horrible experience. Well, after his brother passed, he wanted to do a fundraiser. He and his brother loved going for drives in Chris's Porsche, taking for drives all over the beautiful areas of Scotland, North Coast 500, the mountains. You watch Braveheart and some of the Outlander series where they film it. It's beautiful, beautiful country. And it was such a big success, this Cannonbawz Run, of people come with their cars and go on these drives in this wonderful area. They started doing it 4 times a year. Wife and I happened to be in Scotland as one of these dates, and he was having the event. Just messaged him and said, "Hey, mind if a couple of Yanks come along?" He's like, "No, please come. What car are you bringing?" I'm like, "I don't know. Whatever the car they give us at the rental agency." Trying to get something a little bit more fitting for this run, I went on Turo to see if we could rent like a Mercedes, a Porsche, even as a joke, because I'm Gonzo Prius, the Prius guy, tried to rent a Prius over there. No one would rent me a car on Turo because, as they said, I'm an American and we don't know how to drive on the wrong side of the road. So the only place I could rent a car was Hertz, whatever rental agency. We showed up in this Chinese-made MG SUV, a little 3-cylinder turbocharged engine, right-hand drive, left-hand manual shift. Fortunately, I'd spent enough time in countries that was comfortable driving those kind of cars. Reached out to Ben Charlie Safari Wilson, who happened to be in Wales. Say, "Hey, what are you doing next weekend? You ought to come up and join this rally." It's like, I don't know, I'm kind of busy. And finally convinced him. He drove 12 hours from Wales up to northern Scotland to join this event. And it was such a great time. Driving these cars, beautiful, beautiful exotic cars. There was Aston Martins. There was a all carbon fiber Caterham 7. Car weighed about 1,600, 1,800 pounds. Doing some spirited driving. On one of the roads, we went over this little crest in a hill, and my wife looked at me. She says, "I think I just beat a little." It was just so much fun hanging out with these people. That weekend that the event was going on happened to be the same day of the coronation of the king. And the people of Scotland, they generally don't care much for the royalty and the king. And there was one gentleman there, was wearing a kilt, the full outfit, and he was wearing this Prince Charles Halloween mask over his face. End of the day, he comes up to me and he hands me this mask. And I was like, bowed. I said, "Thank you, Your Highness," just joking. "Thank you, thank you." I said, "But would you do me the honor of autographing this mask for me?" And he wrote on the inside of the mask, "HRH, His Royal Highness, King Charles," and handed it to me. Well, I flew back home with it and had come into the reunion weekend here to tell stories. And that mask now lives right over here in the VINwiki studios. So those wondering what this creepy face is with the eyes looking at you, that come from that event. We'll be going back in August. They're having a 2-day event, North Coast 500, running it again. Really looking forward to that event. I want to try to see if I can get Turo another vehicle again and convince someone to rent an American right-hand drive, left-hand shift manual car. Hopefully they'll rent us something, but if not, we'll show up in whatever they give us at the airport again. They were driving well above the speed limit. They were doing things that, considering the laws in the UK and how they treat speeding offenses so severely, so harshly, was very, very surprised by the speeds they were doing. The area we were doing it, these are not normal American superhighway roads. They're called single tracks. They're basically about 1.25 car wide, and going down the road, and if a car's coming, periodically there's little pullouts. You'd pull out, let the other car pass, and keep going. And you crest up top of some of these mountain ridges, and you're looking out over the North Atlantic Ocean. Stunning, stunning, beautiful areas. Just, it never gets old. That's why we keep going back to Scotland. It's just so beautiful, and the people are wonderful.
This month, the VINwiki content is brought to you by Bridgestone, and the most exciting news out of Bridgestone is the new release of their Turanza Prestige tire. It is their flagship Grand Touring tire, targeting luxury SUVs, crossovers, and sedans, like a Mercedes S-Class or a BMW X7. And this gives you all the whisper quiet ride that you want in a high-end luxury experience, as well as the wet and dry weather performance that we love from Bridgestone. And you'll get some of the greatest longevity they've ever had on street tires, 70,000 mile limited warranty. So we love Bridgestone for their sports car and supercar tires in the Potenza range. Of course, the Dueler AT Ascent that I've got on my Porsche Cayenne, I absolutely love. But whatever you're looking to find tires for, Bridgestone has something great. So check them out now at the link in the description below to learn more about the Bridgestone family of tires.